Hi Felters, and welcome to day 17. God, it's going now, isn't it? 17 of your Woodland Advent Calendar. Here's the bag. Let's get number 17, 19, 18, 17. And we have something exciting today. Let's open them up. You can't see that much like that. Let's pull them out. So, this is some beautifully done art bats. Let me open it up, by a lady that she's not too far from me. And again, I wanted to highlight some independent shops and small businesses. See the beautiful colours. This is a really lovely autumnal colour that we're going to use for something later on. But the lady's name is Jackie and her shop name is Gerace Fibre Arts on Etsy. There's her card. And let me just read a little bit about her shop. So she wanted to create a place for her handmade creations. Her mum taught her to knit, crochet and embroider. And she's also learnt to do nano felt scarves, accessories, spin, weave, needle felt and hand card, bats and rolags. So I'll just show you a little bit about her shop now. So this is Gerace Fibre Arts on Etsy, and this is how I found her. And then I noticed she was Barnsley, so not too far from me. So she does lovely hand carded bats first off. So if you're looking for any colour combos, I'm sure you could contact her and she might make them up. She does some nano felting. I love these little merino wool pendants. Then you can see there's more bat colours. And brilliantly, that is the colour that we have. So she obviously had some excess. So that's the colour if you guys wanted to order it. We also have some tweed flowers and then some more felting. She also has some knitted scarves, and I think she probably made the wool herself or blended it and spun it. Then she also has some wool hangings, which are very, very pretty. We've got some merino wool felted flowers, and then down a little bit more, this scarf is just calling my name. I just think it's so pretty. I'm trying to refrain because I can like knit and crochet scarves myself, so I really shouldn't. And then she's got some more jewellery items which are nice. Those earrings look lovely, the next one over. And these are some rolags just there. And then also we've got some felted bracelets, which I thought were really interesting. And then some more scarves, knitted, woven. So she, you know, she has a lot of talents, but definitely worth having a look. And she does some needle felting. There we go. And there's some more bracelets. And then this colour here was the first one I ordered from her over the page. That blue. God, it's such a lovely combination of colours, sort of a denim-y blue. But there we go. That is Jackie from Gerace Fibre Arts. So I definitely recommend, if you're after some things, it's, just check with her about UK postage or postage abroad. But here are the bats just a little bit up close, so you can see the colours in them. Absolutely beautiful. Thanks, Jackie. So we don't have anything to do today. A huge thank you to Jackie for doing this order for me, because like I said, when I turn around and say I need 115 odd, some people were like, I don't think I can do that. So yeah, she worked tirelessly for about 3 or 4 weeks. And we're going to save this for a project a little bit later on. So carry on with all your extras that you've got to do and make sure you've got all your heads and your mushrooms and everything and you're up to date. So we'll see you again tomorrow. Take care.